Hey, Gracie here. Today I'm going to create a summer container garden for my front porch. With these warmer temps and summer just around the corner, I have been so ready to decorate my front porch with some vibrant colors and blooms. One of my favorite ways to do that is with a container garden. It's a really fun and easy way to add a splash of color to your outdoor space. So today I'm going to show you the steps for planting the perfect container garden and some care tips to keep in mind along the way. Okay, so first up, select a container in the color and style and texture that you love. English Gardens has so many containers to choose from. Remember that a hole in the bottom is ideal. Proper drainage is key. Today, I'm going to go with my glazed ceramic container here. This material is super great for retaining moisture, and it's sturdy and stable for windy conditions. Now, I'm sure you've heard me talk about this little invention called the Upsidaisy. I love this thing. It helps to reduce the amount of soil needed in larger pots like mine, and it makes it lighter in weight and easier to move around. Now, speaking of soil, remember that garden soil, topsoil, and soil from the ground are too heavy to use in container gardens. My go-to container garden soil is this Proven Winners potting soil right here, so that's what I'm going to use today. I've already got it ready to go in my pot here. Next up, fertilizer, which is super important for a container garden's health throughout the season. There are 3 types that are used at different times in the planting and care process. So we'll start with the biotone, which is, of course, a starter fertilizer to help encourage growth. And I've already sprinkled mine in, so you can put that into the soil before planting. Next up, a time-release fertilizer like Osmocote, which helps to feed continuously for weeks. I've added this one in here as well. And finally, a water-soluble fertilizer. So think of this as like a boost of vitamins. This one is really great. You can use it about every 10 days to 2 weeks to keep those beautiful blooms coming. If you step into any of our English garden stores, you will see just how many choices you have for plants and flowers. There is so much to look at. For a container garden, consider the look you want and the colors that you love and interesting and unique textures or blooms. Now, one great piece of advice that I have learned is to look at the plant tags. They are a wealth of knowledge. If you want to know how much sun or shade a plant needs, what type of watering it requires, or how much it's going to grow this season, this handy tag can fill you in on all of that. For my container garden, I went with this really cool pink zip Dracaena palm, and I'm also doing some lemon licorice here, and how beautiful are these pink Gerbera daisies. So love those for that focal point. Okay, so to start off, I'm gonna do the pink zip Dracaena. That's gonna kind of be my center big focal point plant. So it'll be kind of like the showpiece, I guess. So simply take it out of its growing pot that it comes in, and we're gonna go right in the center here. Looking good. This has some really cool pink and green variegation on it, which I love. So next up, I am going to do the daisies. So we're really just going to be kind of planting around this focal point guy here. So I'll do a daisy, and then you'll see the lemon licorice, and it'll be a nice little cohesive look. Looking beautiful. And last but not least, we've got the lemon licorice. Now, how beautiful is that all the way around? I am loving this. And how easy was that too? This is something you can do at home, I promise you. Okay, so now that you've got your container garden done, some last tips and tricks for you. If your container is going to live on the patio or deck like mine, consider adding a plant caddy or saucer to help assist with proper drainage. The Down Under is one of my favorite products. It's the perfect solution and nearly invisible. Plus, you can cut down these legs on here to a size that works for your pot. Now, a plant caddy with wheels or a simple saucer is also a great solution. And last but not least, water. Watering is a must for ensuring good health for your container, especially when it's super hot. So you can check to see if your container needs water by using your finger to feel the soil here, and if it's dry, just give it a drink and water it thoroughly. Stop into any English garden store today to get started on all of your gardening projects. For plants and products used in this video, check out the description below. Stay tuned for more episodes of Let's Grow. Happy planting! Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe to our channel for more ways to make your life beautiful.